Hi to everyone. I am Professor Raja, Assistant Professor EC Department, SNS College of Technology, an autonomous institution, Coimbatore. Today in this YouTube video, we are going to discuss about the case study of how the feedback amplifier is used in a real-time application. This case study is under 19 ECB 201 Analog Electronic Circuit subjects, and today my topic of discussion was public addressing system. So we know that what is meant by an amplifier. An amplifier is a three-terminal device which consists of emitter, base and collector. Mostly it is useful for amplification in TV, radio and electronic devices. So mostly the amplifiers are used in an amplification of input signal. So whatever I am talking, this can be heard by you by using some speakers. So the speakers are operated by using an amplifier. But we have some drawback of an amplifier that can be rectified by using a feedback amplifier. So I created one YouTube video on what is the use of feedback amplifier. If you have time, see that also. So now we are going to move today's video, the applications of feedback amplifier, how it is used in public addressing system. So feedback is used virtually in all amplifier systems. It is invented in 1928 by Harold Black, an engineer in Western Electric Company. It is the methods to stabilize the gain of an amplifier for use electric company or used in telephonic repeaters. In feedback system, the signal that is proportional to the output is feedback to the input and combined with the input signal to produce the desired system response. So there will be some portions of the output is taken and it can be added as an input medium. So because of this adding output to input, the quality of input signal will be improved. Then however it is unintentional and undesired system response, it may be produced. Even though we are using feedback as the adding medium, but the input signal must be in a good quality. So in a PA system, we can get a feedback when you put a microphone in front of a speaker and the sound that is get uncontrollably loud, and that will produce a unpleasant effect. So suppose if the volume is not at the control level, whatever the speaker speaks, the sound will produce at the speaker with more loudy noise. How it can be controlled, we can see. So in a public addressing system, it is an electronic sound amplification and a distribution system with a microphone, amplifier and a loudspeaker. So in general, the PA system consists of an sound amplification medium and a distribution system of microphone, amplifier and a loudspeaker. The intensity of sound decreases with the distance to receive good intensity of sound for comfortable listening. The system fulfills this function is called a public addressing system, or generally it is called PA system. Wherever you have any meeting or in your college or in any function, whatever the speaker speaks and whatever that man which will tune this amplification, all are in the name of PA system only. So this is the first traditionally used PA system for a smaller group, where whatever the speaker speaks on the left hand side, so due to the amplification is done at the middle portion, the right hand side is the speaker which will produce the amplified sound. So in general, the PA system will consist of the 7 important components. The first one is the microphone, which is used to convert your voice into electronic signal. Second one is the mixer. Mixer will mixing or combining all input signals into the amplification area. Then the voltage amplifier, which will amplify the input signal. Then the processing unit. Then the driver amplifier. Then the power amplifier used for amplifying the input quality. Then finally the output is the loudspeaker. So the loudspeaker only produces the whatever the audio signals. So this is the circuit of general PA system, where the microphone is given to the speaker, those who want to speak the signal. Then this microphone is given to the input shake, where this input shake will convert the analog signal into digital, which is suitably for next level of amplification process. The mixing console is the mixing medium, where it can process the input signal with the desired quality. The mixing console output is given to the equalizer, where in this equalization, where we have so many filters, so depend upon the output quality we can vary this equalization. The next one is the power amplifier, which is connected at the speaker. This power amplifier only provides the proper output amplification to the speaker. So if power amplifier is not done, means what happen? So whatever the signal that the equalization produce, if you given to speaker, means there is only a small level of sound only we are hearing. But if you have large crowd, if you have more number of size of hall, the sound amplification should be more. So that area we want more power amplifier. So power amplifiers are class A, class B, and class AB, class C. So this all you are studied in the first and second unit. So here we see the applications of feedback. So how individual parts are working? Microphone, it is electrical transducer. It picks up sound wave and converts into the electrical variations called an audio signal. The mixer, the output of the microphone is feedback into the mixer stage. The mixer stage is to effectively isolate different channels from each other before feeding into the main amplifier. Then voltage amplifier, it further amplifies the output of the mixer. So whatever the amplifications we need, that can be given by voltage amplifier. Driver amplifier, it gives voltage amplification to the signal to such an extent that when feed to the next stage, the internal resistance of that stage is reduced. So the driver amplifier will increase the gain of each amplification stage. The next one is the power amplifier. The power amplifier gives desired power amplification to the signal. It is push-pull type of circuit in general. The power amplifier connected to the loudspeaker. So finally the loudspeaker will convert the electrical audio signal into a pressure variation resulting in sound. So due to this loudspeaker only we are hearing the audio signal. So what are the basic requirements of PA system? One is a proper acoustic feedback. So if you see the cinema theater, it is all covered with the wooden area. If you see any college auditorium or any function halls, all are covered with the wooden hall. Because of this wooden, the sound will not be reflected or echo will not produced. And how the distribution of sound intensity. So how the loudness of the sound is contained in a low notes to the high notes. So that is what we need two requirements. One is called the acoustic feedback and the second one is the distribution of sound intensity. And also reverberation. It is used mainly in a reverberation medium to the interability is poor. If PA system should throw additional power in those areas where the direct gets submerged into the echoes. So in order to avoid echoes, we are using the vibration avoiding medium. Dynamic range limitation. The amplifier of a good PA system is equipped with a level limiter which keeps the output level constant when the input level exceeds a certain predefined value. So we can produce an output with a constant by using a dynamic range limitation. Then matching. Matching means the output impedance of the amplifier is matched with the input impedance of the loudspeaker. The next one, grounding. So without proper grounding, we cannot create a proper sound. So the grounding should be done using a coaxial cable for external purpose. Next, how the PA systems are used. So depend upon the application, the PA system is used in a public meeting, auditorium having large capacity, debating chamber, football stadium and college sports. Sometimes this PA systems also used for classroom also or some mini conference auditorium also. So in this YouTube video we are discussed about what are the need of a feedback amplifier, how the feedback amplifier is used in a PA system, what are the basic components of PA system, how this PA system is working and what are the requirements of PA system we have studied. Then finally we discussed what are the applications areas where PA systems are using. So thank you for watching my video. In the next video I can take some other case study of a feedback amplifier. So thank you.